Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you through my entire night self-care routine. This is my ultimate way of unwinding after a hectic day, from hair care, body prep to skincare and relaxing ritual to give my body the TLC it deserves. So let's begin. I'm starting with a soothing scalp massage using this Individual Champy hair oil. It has this earthy, calming scent and a beautiful blend of Ayurvedic ingredients like Brahmi, Amla, and hibiscus that not only nourishes but also instantly relaxes my mind. I massage it in for 5 to 15 minutes. It truly is my favorite form of therapy after a stressful day. Next, I go in with a minimalist bond repair treatment and mix in a few pumps of Love Beauty and Planet Bond Repair Hair Mask. This combo is a little rescue pack for dry, frizzy hair. It softens, strengthens, and smooths without feeling heavy, and I leave it on for just 15 to 20 minutes while I prep the rest of my body. I take few drops of Wishcare rosehip oil in my hands and massage it all over my body. Rosehip oil is loaded with antioxidant and help improve the skin texture, reduces marks, and makes my skin feel baby soft. Then I'm taking this dry brush starting from the feet and brushing upward in long strokes. It's a game changer for circulation, exfoliation and even lymphatic drainage. Honestly, it feels so satisfying and energizing, like my skin is literally breathing. Onto the shower, I firstly wash my hair with the Wishcare anti-hairfall shampoo. Weather is changing and I'm having a little bit of hair fall, and this shampoo has rosemary and rice water, which is my favorite ingredient, which helps strengthen the roots and reduces hair fall and breakage. Once or twice a month, I use this Bare Anatomy scalp scrub. It gives my scalp a clean, detoxified feel and removes any buildup from oil or styling product. Plus, it feels so cooling and refreshing. Then I follow it up with the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and as usual I'm taking just a little amount of it. It's a holy grail for repairing damaged hair bonds and adding shine. Then I finish my hair care with the Anomaly Shine Conditioner. It's lightweight, silicone free and leaves my hair feeling super glossy and manageable. I leave this on to work its magic. Meanwhile, I'm gonna move on to my body routine. For body exfoliation, I use the Dove Exfoliating Brown Sugar and Coconut Butter Body Scrub. The scent is warm, comforting, and the texture gently buffs away dead skin cells without trying it out. Now, here's a little shaving trick. I use the same Anomaly Shine Conditioner on my skin. It acts like a perfect shaving cream. Super soft, gentle, and hydrating. For shaving, I'm using this razor from Sirona. It's sharp, safe, and glides so effortlessly. My skin feels like velvet afterwards. To cleanse, I go in with Pears Pure and Gentle Shower Gel. It's so free, loaded with 98% glycerin and never strip the skin, just clean, soft and hydrated skin. Before stepping out, I lock in the moisture with Plum Vanilla Body Oil. It gives my skin a radiant glow and smells like a warm vanilla cupcake, which I'm honestly obsessed with. Post shower, I'm using this Shea face pack. It's very gentle, hydrating, plus it tightens the pores, clears dullness, and refreshes my skins after a long day. Great pick for dry skin people. Then I'm using this Wishcare hair growth serum directly onto my scalp. It's a water based and non-sticky, perfect for overnight uses, and I always recommend you guys to apply these kind of serum onto your clean scalp rather than before your hair wash days. Onto my hair length, I'm using the Redken acidic bonding leave-in treatment with a couple drops of TRESemme Silk Press hair serum. This combo adds softness, heat protection, and makes my hair feels professionally done. Onto my body, I'm using this Vaseline Daily Bright Body Serum. It's lightweight, non-greasy, perfect for summer, and make my skin feel nourished without being sticky. Now onto my favorite part, skincare. I'm using this Beauty of Johnson Glow Deep Serum. It's packed with rice bran alpha bitten for that glow and even skin tone. Then I seal it in with Individual's Choline Serum. It locks in moisture and add that subtle dewy finish. For my under eyes, I'm using the Nature Spell Under Eye Serum. It's hydrating, calming, and great for dark circles. Twice a week, I use this ProTouch LED light therapy device. Red light helps with collagen production and instantly gives that healthy, radiant glow. Plus, it also has green and blue LED, which is great for pigmentation, tanning, dark spots, and acne. And for my lips, I'm using my favorite, the Face Shop Lip Sleeping Mask. Lastly, I'm braiding my hair loosely to get that heatless waves overnight, and then I'm wrapping my hair in this silk bonnet. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.